Hey, you guys, welcome to day 6 of our welcome to day 6 of our 12-day holiday mocktail countdown. Tonight, well, listen, first of all, today has been a doozy of a day. Ladies, I know y'all can relate. Where's one of the days where you just throw all your hair up in a ball and you don't want to deal with it? You don't put no makeup on, like nothing. That was today. It's been busy, but this is about to be my nightcap. And I'm doing this for the hot chocolate lovers like myself. So we're just going to get right into it. This is day 6. So this is our halfway point, you all. I cannot believe it. We have been going live since Friday, every day, to make a different holiday mocktail that you can use to wow your holiday guests this season, or even wow yourself this season. I know sometimes people think that mocktails are one-dimensional. It's like, oh, it's just juice. I hear that often. And it doesn't have to be just juice. If you want it to be just juice, it can. But the thing about mocktails is it's about options. So we are making a spiced. Now, you can make your own hot chocolate by hand. I did not. I used the packet. I like Land O'Lakes hot chocolate. I never knew the butter people made hot chocolate until some years ago when one of my best friends, Ashley, bought me a variety pack. And so when I say I love hot chocolate, like I love hot chocolate for... This is a staple in my household, a big old box of hot chocolate. So from this box, I used the chocolate supreme flavor. And it says you only need 6 ounces per pack. And I put 3 packs in here. So I did 18 ounces. And each of our glasses are 15 ounces. So I'm only going to fill the glasses about halfway. So here's what we're going to do. So I've already made the hot chocolate. My oven is still on low. If you can see that, my burner is still on low. And so basically I just mix my hot chocolate in my saucepan. You can make it in the microwave if you want to, however is most convenient for you. So I've already just made the hot chocolate. So it's literally just the hot chocolate packet with water. The instructions on the packet. If you like to use milk to use your hot chocolate, feel free to do that. But I didn't, only because I'm going to be adding in some creamer already. So I just have some French vanilla creamer here that I'm going to be adding in. I have some Hershey's chocolate syrup. I'm going to use that to garnish the glass with. I have some cinnamon sticks that we're going to garnish with. I have some almond extract that we're going to add to our hot chocolate. Some cinnamon. And then a little bit of cayenne, just to give it a little kick. Because this is called a spiced hot chocolate after all. So I wanted to just kind of give it a couple different dimensions besides just the straight hot chocolate. So this is how the almond extract looks. I typically use it for baking. You do not need a lot of this. Like literally a little bit goes a long way. So I'm literally going to just put the smallest dash in here. The smallest dash in here. A couple of... And you might think, oh, that ain't nothing. No, this is enough. If you know how concentrated vanilla extract is and like peppermint extract, lemon extract, like almond extract is the same. But it just gives a really, really nice pairing with chocolate. So I added that. I'm going to add just a couple sprinkles of cinnamon. Okay. So we added our cinnamon. And then last but not least, for another little... elevated flavor profile of spice, we're gonna do a dash of cayenne, and that is what is going to give us our spiced hot chocolate. So I'm just gonna have take my whisk, and I'm gonna just whisk all this together. Again, this is literally just the Land O'Lakes hot chocolate. Who knew that the butter people made hot chocolate, right? I thought they just made butter, but you can branch out. I know that's a message for somebody. You could be known for something. You could be known for one main thing, and then you can always branch out. Don't miss that. Okay. So now we're good. I'm going to turn my burner off. I want to give this a quick taste to see if it's too spicy. So I have my little tasting straw. Let me taste it real quick. I want a little more cinnamon in there. And I feel like it needs just a little bit more spice. Okay, let's mix it up. Just whisk, make sure it's whisked well. Ooh, I smell the cinnamon now. Okay, now let's taste it again. There we go. That's what I wanted to taste. Okay, so it's literally that simple. And so now we're gonna garnish and serve. Again, these mocktails are perfect for entertaining really anytime. Let me, I need a paper towel because I'll be messy when I'm drizzling. Perfect for any time. This is perfect. This will be perfect for Christmas Eve. It's actually perfect for now because it's a little cold outside today. So I'm going to take just my Hershey's. Oh, can you see that? That's better. I'm just going to take my Hershey's and I'm just going to drizzle some inside my mug. There's no rhyme or reason to this at all. Just a fun little abstract pattern, I guess. Let's do that to both. You know, when you're live, the camera is like reversed. So I'm doing this with my left hand just so y'all can see better. There we go. Let's see. Let me turn the lighting down a little bit so you can see it better. There we go. All right. So now, well, no, I better keep them. I'm going to carefully pour hot chocolate in. You could also do this ice. You could let this cool and then you could add ice. Break it over so y'all can see. Trying to be careful with it, y'all. Okay, so here's one. Okay, here's the other. I need to make them even. So I made 18 ounces of hot chocolate and I'm just splitting that between the 2 mugs. So that's it. So this is going to the sink. So boom, we have our hot chocolate. So we just drizzled the mug with Hershey syrup. In the hot chocolate, I used a Land O'Lakes hot chocolate packet with the instructions on the back. So it says 6 ounces of water per packet. I did 3 packets. So I did 18 ounces of water. So basically 2.5 cups of water. And so now what I'm going to do for more flavor layering, more depth, more dimension, I'm going to add a little bit of creamer. So this is brand new. I just opened this today. French vanilla. Use whatever kind you like. Or not at all. You could use milk if you want. Okay. I'm going to stir that. This one's mine, so I'm stirring it with that one. Let me get another straw. The polka dot straw will be for the drink that's yours. Okay. Some of the chocolate that we drizzled in is already melting. That's okay. That's the point. It's going to go into the hot chocolate. It's just going to add more and more and more intense chocolate flavor. So now we're going to do one of my favorite things. Full with some whipped cream. Okay. Look at that. You really could leave it just like that if you wanted to. But of course we're not. So I'm just add a little more cinnamon on top. You know what? I also am going to add a little more chocolate on top. Because why not? I did it that way because I want to add the cinnamon in the middle and I want it to be visible. And then if you really, really want to take it another step further, you can garnish with a cinnamon stick. So I'm going to do that if I can get the cinnamon sticks open. Let me use some small ones. Boom. You don't want a little bigger now. And that's it. This is our spiced hot chocolate. Let me get closer so I can show you up close what she looks like. There we go. Hey, Doria. Yes, back with the Mocktail Lives. This is day 6 of 12 that we're doing. So we've done 6 straight days of live so far for the month of December, counting down some beautiful holiday mocktails for the table. And yes, like you said, definitely playing with your food, but I don't be playing with it in the way that some of these folk be mixing all this crazy stuff. We eat with our eyes. We're visual people. And so I always want, you know, just to demonstrate that just like cocktails, mocktails can also be visually appealing. And give us options, give us fun. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Here's our spiced hot chocolate. Let me tell you one more time what's in them, and then we out of here because I'm ready to go sit in my bed and drink this. So I just used a hot chocolate packet. I used the chocolate supreme flavor from Land O'Lakes. I like the Land O'Lakes brand. Use whatever brand of hot chocolate you like. If you like making homemade hot chocolate, do that. That is lovely and wonderful. I just made it according to the ingredients on the packet, but I made it on the stove instead of the microwave. And then into it, I added a good pinch of cayenne pepper, a good pinch of cinnamon, and a splash of almond extract. That's just giving it some lovely, yummy, good holiday flavors that you'll feel warm and just indulgent without guilt. Then we added a splash of creamer to each one. And then we garnished with chocolate syrup, whipped cream, and some cinnamon sticks. And that's pretty much it. So this will be something fun. You can make you a hot chocolate bar for Christmas dinner, Christmas Eve, while you're wrapping gifts. The kids are definitely going to love this. You could put different stuff on your hot chocolate bar. Like you can have the cinnamon sticks, of course. You could have chocolate chips, different color, different flavor whipped creams if you want. There's chocolate whipped cream. There's different flavors, different syrups. You could have caramel. You could have peppermints, candy canes, like literally all the things, marshmallows. So don't feel limited by these ingredients as well. But for my hot chocolate lovers, I just wanted to show you all a different flavor profile to throw into your hot chocolate. And that is pretty much all. So thank y'all so much for tuning in. I will be back tomorrow for day 7 of our 12-day holiday countdown. And I keep telling y'all I have something coming. I have something coming. I really do have something coming. And soon I will be dropping hints and surprises to what it is. And if anybody wants to try to guess what it is, drop it in the comments. You might win something. But yeah, I gotta go. Exactly, Dory. Exactly. You said drink it before the whip dips. Exactly. I am. And I need to get some pictures before the whip dip. So peace out, y'all. And I will see you back here tomorrow. Bye.